Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into the world of tech and help you make informed decisions. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the Dell 24 all-in-one desktop. I'll be honest, when I first saw this monitor, I had some reservations about its sleek design and compact footprint. Could it really deliver on all the promises? Well, let me tell you, yes, it can. First off, the display is truly a standout feature. The FHD IPS screen boasts 99% sRGB coverage, which means you'll enjoy vivid, true-to-life colors that will make your work or entertainment experiences feel more immersive. But what really caught my attention was the 50% higher contrast ratio within a narrow border. It's like having a tiny slice of cinematic heaven right on your desk. Imagine being able to see every detail, from the deepest blues in your favorite movie to the most vibrant greens in your work documents. It's truly remarkable. And with Dell ComfortView Plus, you can keep your eyes comfortable during long screen sessions, thanks to its clever design that reduces harmful blue light emissions. Now, I know what you're thinking, what about video conferencing? Well, let me tell you, the 5MP Plus IR camera delivers. With HDR technology, you'll look your absolute best, even in challenging lighting conditions. And with the adjustable tilt from 0 to 20 degrees, you can find the perfect angle for an effortless conversation. But what really sets this monitor apart is its audio. The dual Bluetooth speakers and Dolby Atmos spatial sound make it feel like you're right there in the action, whether you're listening to music, video chatting, or watching a movie. It's truly magical. Of course, no modern computer would be complete without Windows 11, which comes with a sleek design and innovative multitasking tools that will help you get things done faster and easier. Now, I want to talk about the service that backs up this incredible machine, Dell's 1-year Onsite service. It's like having your own personal tech butler who'll come to your home, office, or location of choice to help resolve any issues covered by the limited hardware warranty. And finally, I have to mention the Dell Migrate tool, which makes it ridiculously easy to transfer your hard-to-replace data, personal records, and important files to your new computer. It's like having a digital safety net. In short, this Dell 24 all-in-one desktop is an absolute game-changer. With its stunning display, comfortable viewing experience, exceptional audio, and top-notch service, it's the perfect addition to any home or office. So, if you're in the market for a new computer and want to transform your space into your own personal paradise, be sure to check out the link below for the best price. Trust me, you won't regret it.